Hello. So I wanted to do a review of out of the box unboxing of this RoyalTec, basically digital scales, what people call dealer scales, isn't it? One of the nicknames. I'm not a dealer. I use it for making water corrections in my homebrewing. So I've been doing it on a set of kitchen scales which have not been accurate enough. So I'd like to make the change and do it properly, a bit more accurately if I can. So anyway, I bought these from Amazon, online retailer, digital pocket scale, £6.98 delivered, next day delivery, which was really fast and handy. Quite happy with that. So out of the box, I've undone it and not taken it out of the box. So what you receive is a hard plastic protective case in a bag, in a little plastic holder with a pair of batteries, again encased in plastic. Far too much plastic these days, far too much plastic. So anyway, what I'm going to do is do a little test with this the UK 5p coin, which is meant to be 5.65 grams. So just to test the accuracy and perhaps calibrate if I need to, because being a man, I haven't read the instructions. Oh, nice. So on opening, get a little protective case in here, which I'm just going to leave on for now. Yeah, all looks fairly tear. 3 options: tear to zero the scales in, mode for different weights I suppose, and an on-off button as well. Instructions to use it on the inside of the lid as well. But again, being a man, I shan't read those, so I'll just get on with it. Work it out as I go. Oh, well, first impressions. Oh no, that's fine. There's actually 2, if you look in there, there's actually 2 slots for the batteries. 2 pairs of 4 slots. But obviously, if you look, which is why my initial shock was, there's only 2 battery connections in this bit, so that's just a blank, perhaps for something else. Maybe the case is used for something else, something a bit more powerful, I don't know. So anyway, should put the batteries in once I can get them out of this plastic. Put this to one side. This will go in the bin. Put the batteries in the correct way around. Bish bash. Oh. Bish bash bosh. Shouldn't be this difficult, should it? Right, no. Use rare, nothing to do with the product. Oh, one other thing I've just noticed. That isn't good. The battery's turned up. Don't know if you can see that on it. Can you see it's actually dented? That's not good. So that's obviously been squashed. It's actually indented it as well. Well, I'll use it anyway and see how it goes. I should probably have a word about that. Don't need batteries to be blowing up on you. So I'm going to turn it on and it says UNSR. No idea what that means. Anyway, I'll put it down. So press the mode button and it changes to grams at that point. Just show you quickly. It's obviously moving around because I'm moving it. I should put it down. I'm going to put this, I'll tear it. There you go. So that zeros, tearing zeros the scales. Put the 5p on. I'm expecting to see it say 5 point. No, it says 3.2. Let's double check the weight of this. 5 point coins, initially weighed 5.6. New smaller version, no. It says it weighs 3.25 grams. So this is well off that, it's 3.19. So it's 0.6 out. which isn't right to me. Grams. Tear that. Now it's reading 3.21. Okay. I'm not happy with this. Hello! I'm back again. Well, I have had a bit of a read about after my little conflab doing weighing a 5p coin, worrying about the weight of it. I've had a quick read up and it says because it's graduation of 0.01 grams, it's brand new out of the box. It's close enough, 0.1 of a gram. It's not going to make much difference to me. With the the weights I'm going to be using 12, 15 grams at the most of different brewing salts. So yeah, I think it's going to be good enough. I mean, the 5p was weighing 3.21. It's 0.01. It's a used coin. It's probably worn slightly. I'm sure they're not all exactly the same weight. Down to 0.1, it's fine, perfectly good enough for me. So I'm quite happy. Outside of the bent battery, obviously, I'm going to have a little word about that and ask. It's a bit dangerous. Crushing batteries can just blow up, can't they? So yeah. So anyway, RoyalTec. Look for that on Amazon, where I got it from, or show at eBay or other online retailing sites are available. E-commerce is very wide these days. Yeah. So it's capacity of 200 grams, graduation of 0.01 grams, which is obviously more than enough that I'm going to need. Which is perfect. 2 AAA batteries. It's a made in China job. Yeah, so look it up. Buy it if you need it. For my personal homebrewing recipes, it's going to be absolutely perfect. Weighing out brewing salts, acids, for water modifications, hops. Happy days. So yeah, RoyalTec. Here's the box. Digital pocket scale. You can keep it in your pocket if you want to. My pockets are quite big, quite deep. I've just got short arms, being another, don't buy around at the bar, etc. Ha ha. Bloody Southerners. Right then, job done. Thank you very much. Go out and buy one if you need it. I recommend it. Very good.